What's going on, traders? This is Mike with Tactical Traders, doing some weekend scans, and right now I'm looking at ticker symbol AAPL for Apple, and I'm sure you're all very familiar with this ticker, as am I. I've traded it many times, and right now I'm looking at the 10-day chart over 30 minutes candles, and looking at some patterns unfolding. I'm going to highlight that now for you, and these are going to be patterns we're going to be looking at into next week. To hopefully make a profitable bullish trade on this. So I am going to be looking from the bullish perspective. And here we go. So we see that it had a nice move up in the last couple of days with a high of 121.99, basically 122. So we can just pretty much put that right as an area of resistance for now. However, the price has pulled back some and has kind of gone sideways, more or less in my opinion, a consolidation fashion. So we're going to connect these highs right here of the 121.99 and connect it with a few other data points going down right here. So now we see I have some lower highs coming in, and it's pretty much creating this small little downtrend right here. At the same time, even though the price did pull back, it also, since the pullback, has started to put in higher lows. And I'm just going to draw those up as well. We're going to connect a couple of these lower points, and we're going to bring it all the way back to right about here. So now that you see within these yellow lines, we actually have a pattern forming now. This pattern is called a triangle pattern. And what a triangle pattern is it is a continuation pattern of the overall trend. And in this case, you can see the trend is not actually clearly defined. However, I'm going to be leaning to bullish. One way to tell on what the trend is looking like is looking at the 200 SMA right here, this purple line, or the 50 SMA right here, this orange line. And these are pretty much going to be the amount of time that the trend has been intact. So as you can see, the 50 SMA is kind of flat, but overall I would say this is going up in somewhat of a slight incline. And now the 200 SMA, which looked pretty flat, is starting to curl up as well. So in my opinion, this to me is looking like it's going to be a continuation of the bullish trend, and we're going to be looking for a breakout past this triangle, these yellow lines right here. And we're going to be looking for that breakout to happen with an increased amount of volume at the same time, showing to me that there's a lot of momentum behind the move. The first area of resistance we're going to be hitting is the previous high of 122. I know it was 21.99 over here, but I'm just going to round up the pennies and call it 122. At 122, it's not a bad idea to maybe lock in maybe a quarter year position, a 30-year position, or half a year position to lock in some gains, and let the rest of your holdings go for hopefully increased gains, which in this case I do think that there is possible to break the 122 and continue on higher. Well, anyways, traders, that's the quick breakdown of the 30-minute chart. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you took some knowledge out of it. If you did, please help us out and hit that like button. Helps us out a ton. And subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this highlighting profitable trades. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay profitable.